What is up, Sven Diesel here. We're going to be making some chicken fried rice on Traeger's new Flatrock. So first off, we're going to cube up the chicken. I'm using 2 chicken breasts here. Cubing it makes it go a little faster, cook a little quicker. We're going to use some canola oil right here in this Traeger squeeze thing, and we're going to lay down a generous amount, put our chicken on top of it, and then I'm going to be using 2 different spatulas here. One's kind of like a scraper cutter thing, and so we're going to be cooking this and then chopping it up as we cook it. As it cooks, it's going to be a little bit easier to chop. We're going to use some sesame seed oil. I'm just going to eyeball this, probably a couple tablespoons here on the chicken. And then, of course, we're going to work that in and then add a little bit of soy sauce here. And I'm just guessing as we go. And we're going to keep cooking that. And then I have the other side of the grill on low. But we're going to put the frozen vegetables down, add a little sesame seed oil. I use 2 bags of vegetables because I want to be healthy for my kids. And I'm just going to, once it cooks for about 3 to 5 minutes, move it over. We added the rice in there. This rice is pre-cooked. It's been chilling in the fridge because I've always heard it's easier or makes better fried rice when it's cold. We're going to add the oils, flip it around, and work it over to the cool side. Then, of course, we'll add about 4 eggs to this, and I'm going to chop it up a little bit, get it almost cooked all the way, and then work it back into the rice. And so we'll work that in. And now comes the fun time where we're going to start mixing everything together. We're going to, of course, bring the rice over first, start flipping it in, and look at this. This is just going really, really smooth. It's going to be really, really awesome. Add a little bit more soy sauce, trying to get a little bit of that brown, work the vegetables in. And then, of course, lastly, I'll just pull over all the chicken, work that in, and then we'll just let it cook together for a few minutes, just chopping it up, making sure all those clumps of rice are broken up, even it out, make it look good. And then, of course, we're going to be doing the, get the hibachi hat on there, and there we go. We got the chicken fried rice. It is awesome, serves up, it's steamy, it's a little cold out, but let's go ahead and eat it.